Hello, this is question 7b of the 2022-2023 NECO examination. It says find the equation whose roots are minus 3 over 4 and 5 over 6. So given x equals minus 3 over 4 or x equals 5 over 6. So these are the roots of this expression. So let us take it back into a question. So x, if we take this inside, becomes plus 3 over 4 equals 0, and x minus 5 over 6 equals 0. Let us convert this to a linear equation such that if we multiply this expression by 4, it becomes 4x plus 3 equals 0. And if we multiply this by 6, 6x minus 5 equals 0. Since these are the root of the equation, if we multiply the two together, it must give us back the equation. So that will now become 4x plus 3 and 6x minus 5. So 4x multiplied by 6x, that gives us 24x raised to the power 2. 4x multiplied by minus 5, that's minus 20x. 3 multiplied by 6x, that's plus 18x. And 3 multiplied by 5, that gives us minus 15 equals 0. So from here we have 24x squared minus 20x plus 18x, that's minus 2x, and minus 15 equals 0. So this is the equation that gave us this root. So that is a solution to the question 7b of the 2022-2023 NECO examination. It is a series. For other solutions within the series, please check my channel, they are very much available. Till I see you next time, please remember to subscribe to this channel, and thank you very much.